two groups of animals, vertebrates and invertebrates. There are two large groups in the animal kingdom. First, vertebrates. One group consists of animals that have a rigid internal skeleton. The most important parts of the skeleton are the skull and the spine. The spine is made up of smaller parts of the vertebrae, so we call these animals vertebrates or vertebrate animals. The vertebrates include fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. A rigid internal skeleton protects organs, scaffolds the body, and gives it shape. This skeleton, together with the muscles, forms the movement apparatus. Types of vertebrate animals. Fishes. Fish usually have a streamlined body shape and are equipped with fins. Their skin produces scales. Reptiles. Reptiles have thick, dry skin that is covered with numerous scales and shields. Amphibians. Amphibians are animals with thin, constantly moist skin. It is naked, not covered with scales. The birds. Birds have forelimbs transformed into wings. Feathers grow out of their skin. Mammals. Mammals feed their offspring with milk. Their characteristic feature is the presence of hair. Second, invertebrates. The second group consists of animals that do not have a rigid internal skeleton. We call them invertebrates or invertebrate animals. Some of these animals, such as earthworms and leeches, have a naked body. Other invertebrates have bodies covered with rigid armor or shells. Example for rigid armor is a crayfish, and example for shells are most of snails. Invertebrates include cnidarian, flatworms, nematodes, annelids, arthropods, and molluscs. The armor is a kind of external skeleton. It protects the soft and delicate body and is the element to which the muscles are attached. Types of invertebrate animals. Cnidarian. Cnidarian have cells with a stinging liquid which enables them to hunt and defend themselves. Flatworms. Most flatworms are parasites. Their body is elongated and strongly flattened. Nematodes. Nematodes are generally parasites. Their body is long, thread-like, and tapers at the end. Annelids. Annelids have a body that is divided into parts called rings or segments. Arthropods. Arthropods have characteristic legs made of sections connected by joints. Mollusks. Mollusks are animals with a delicate soft body. In some of them it is covered with a shell. Almost 95% of all animal species living today are invertebrates. The remaining species are vertebrate animals, the most numerous of which are fish. Sponges. Animals unlike any other. Sponges inhabit various types of aquatic environments, most often seas and oceans. They are the only animals that do not develop tissues, organs, and systems, even though their bodies are made up of several types of cells. Each cell can transform into a different type of cell. Thanks to this, sponges have remarkable regenerative abilities. They can rebuild the entire body, even from microscopic parts of the body. Sponges live attached to the bottom of the tank or objects immersed in water. Most sponges are made by a skeleton. Some skeletons are used as bath sponges.